So far, I've been showing you how to use jQuery to make changes that we could have just made in HTML. What's the point? Well, now I'm going to show you how to use jQuery to make changes to your page after the user has done some action, like clicked a button, scrolled the page, typed in a form, anything like that. Finally, you'll be making your pages truly interactive. So in order to react to user events, you have to tell jQuery which user events you're interested in and what function you want it to call when that event happens. I'll demonstrate how to do that with a button click, one of the simplest of events. First, I'll add a button tag to the HTML. Let's see, put it at the bottom or maybe at the top of the page. Go at the top. So button ID equals croc button. Crocodilize, just great verb. All right, so I have that button there now, and if I click it, absolutely nothing happens. So I need to use jQuery to make it do something. Down in the JavaScript, I'll start by writing jQuery to select the button. All right, now I'm going to call the on method, which is what we use in jQuery for attaching event listeners. The first parameter that I pass is a string with the event name, which is just click. The second parameter is a callback function, the function that we want to be called whenever the event actually happens. All right, so what should I put in this function? Well, here's a little tip. I usually start off with just a console.log to make sure that it worked before I get fancy. Like, whoa, you clicked me, you like me. All right, now pause the talk through, open up your JavaScript console, click the button, and see if it worked. Okay, so hopefully you saw what I saw. Now let's make it actually do something. So what I'm going to do is take all the DOM modifying code from the previous talk-throughs, and I'm just going to cut it and paste it into a function. Actually, let me define the function. So var crocodilize equals function. And then I can just paste our code in there, indent it all nice. Okay, cool. Now I have a function that knows how to crocodilize a page, and I could just call that function from the callback function. Ooh, yay! So I want you to experience this as well. Try pausing the talk through and clicking the button. Isn't it awesome? All right, so you're going to try this out in the next challenge.